3D printing is growing in popularity, and printers like the Bambu Lab P2S AMS combo make jumping in way easier than you'd expect. This is Aiden. He's 12 years old, and he's been 3D printing for the last 3 years. Hey, Aiden.
Hey, Morgan. How's it going?
It's going well. How are you doing?
Doing great. This printer is so awesome.
Yeah, you like it? What's your favorite thing about 3D printing?
My favorite thing is just being able to make anything you can dream up in your head.
What do you think of that new 5-inch screen?
This screen is amazing. It's so smooth and easy to navigate, and it's very clear.
And how about that new processor?
This thing is a beast. It can handle anything I throw at it.
That's incredible. Thank you so much, Aiden.
Yeah, no problem.
And if you're not near your machine, no worries. You can kick off prints straight from the app on your phone or even a tablet or computer. The P2S also has built-in AI error detection. If something starts going wrong, spaghetti string mess, nozzle blob, you name it, it catches it with computer vision and stops it before things get out of hand. Inside, there's a 1080p high frame rate camera with bright stage lighting, so your live view and time lapses look clean enough to drop into a YouTube montage. And with dual band Wi-Fi, you can check on your prints from literally anywhere in your house. Up top is the AMS 2 Pro for multicolor printing with zero manual filament swapping. It automatically feeds everything and even dries filament about 30% faster thanks to active venting. Translation: better filament, better prints, fewer headaches. And if you're thinking, okay, but what do I actually make? Basically anything. Fidgets, organizers, replacement parts, gadgets, gifts. If you can imagine it, you can probably print it. Like a 3D model of a close friend. So Aiden, what are some of your favorite things to print?
I love printing any sort of fidget or toy, but my favorite things are these battery holders. I designed it myself. I started with a box, but then I added a bunch of cylindrical holes.
And did you run into any problems when you did that?
Yeah, with this one, I didn't make the holes big enough so the battery wouldn't quite slide in. I love the problem-solving aspect of 3D printing because it allows your brain to grow in so many more ways than you could ever imagine. It's just amazing what you can do with 3D printing.
3D printing is perfect for DIYers, small shops, and kids or preteens who want to explore creativity and engineering. So whether you're a beginner or already an expert like Aiden here, the P2S AMS combo makes it easier than ever to turn ideas into reality. It's fast, it's smart, and honestly, it's just fun. Check out bestbuy.com or the app for more information.